to the where I'm walking to my sister's house so we can go to Canary Wharf. So this is my first kind of talking vlog. Never done this, quite scary because I'm doing it on the road and people can see me do this, but yeah, I might be talking low, but this is just a practice run until I get confident to do what I need to do. We're gonna go to the Canary Wharf to look around and window shop, and then after that, God knows what we'll be doing, probably eat. So come along. Hi guys, so we're currently eating. Thank you. So yeah, we're apparently having some of this. It smells nice. So I got cloudy lemonade. No, mine got cloudy lemonade. I got a peach iced tea. We're currently in Wagamama's and we are gonna indulge. Isn't that right, Maya? Yeah. I'll see you guys soon when we go look around and shop. Bye. This is quite nice. I know, I like these. I really need earrings, like my earrings are low. Oh, this is cute, man. This is like in COS.
That's too thin, I like this. I like that,
yeah, that's it.
I like this. I'll take this on a voyage. Oh, I better get my winter hats out of the box. That is a nice colour. I didn't have this colour last time. I only had that colour.
So we went round and we started off in Mango, and then like all the stuff that I saw in Mango was really nice. I like this jacket and I like this top. It was really nice, it was really cute. Something to get for like, I don't know, dinner or something. Then we got to Zara and I saw a couple of coats here and I thought, I think the coats in Zara this season is really good. I think they're really cute. I like the style, the fur, everything. And I still haven't purchased the jackets. This was just a day out for me and my sister to go and window shop. I do have a video coming out soon showing what, there's Maya. And yeah, it was just really a fun, nice, lovely day.
Okay, Nana? Thank you.